multiplicative inverse of matrix. What is multiplicative inverse? It is same as reciprocal. That is, the real number, for example 5, the reciprocal of it is 1 over 5. So when we divide or multiply both these numbers, it will gives 1. So 1 over 5 here is the multiplicative inverse of this number 5. Now in case of matrix, M is the matrix and the inverse of it is 1 over M. When they both multiply or divide M by M, it gives identity matrix. So the identity matrix is what? 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. So it becomes the rule that when M matrix multiply with the M inverse, it always gives identity matrix. And again, if M inverse multiply with M matrix, it again gives identity matrix in both the cases. So now let's have an example. We have A matrix which has entries 2, 1 and -1, -3. What is the A inverse? We have to find this. For finding the A inverse, the matrix A must be non-singular, because A inverse is only possible for non-singular. So we find its A determinant the matrix of A, for example 2 multiplied by -3, subtract it from 1 multiply -1, it gives -6 plus 1, and the answer will be -5. So the A determinant is -5, which is non-zero. This determinant, which is -5 and non-zero, indicates that the matrix A is non-singular and its inverse is possible. So now we find its A inverse. The formula for A inverse is 1 over A determinant multiplied by adjoint A. What is the adjoint A of matrix A? It is the interchange the numbers of the diagonal. For example, first diagonal -3 comes here and 2 here, and change the signs of this diagonal, that is -1 and +1. So this is the adjoint A. Now we put the values. A determinant is -5 and the adjoint A is -3. This is -1, 1 and 2. Now we have to multiply 1 over minus 5 with this matrix. This is a scalar multiplication, that is this constant number multiply individually with all the entries of the matrix. So now A inverse is equal to 1 multiply 1 over minus 5 multiply with minus 3 and 1 over minus 5 multiply with minus 1. Again 1 over minus 5 multiply with 1 and 1 over minus 5 multiply with 2. It will gives minus 3 over minus 5 and minus 1 over minus 5, and again 1 over minus 5 and 2 over minus 5. Cancel the signs, minus 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 minus, and again the A inverse will be 3 over 5, 1 over 5 and 1 over minus 5 and 2 over minus 5. So finally this is the A inverse. Now to confirm that it is a inverse of matrix A, we multiply this A inverse with its matrix, that is A multiply with A inverse. What is the result? It must be identity matrix. So let's solve. We have A matrix 2 1 minus 1 minus 3 and A inverse, which is 3 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over minus 5 and 2 over minus 5. Now we have to multiply both the matrices. Here you see that both have the same orders. For example, 2 by 2 here and 2 by 2. So their multiplication is possible. So again this is the row 1 and this is row 2 and the column 1 and column 2. Row 1 multiply with column 1 and row 2 with column 1 and 2. That is, let's solve. A multiply A inverse. Now row 1 2 multiply with 3 over 5 plus 1 multiply 1 over minus 5. Again row 1 multiply with row column 1 and then column 2. Two multiply with column 2 1 over 5 plus 1 multiply with 2 over minus 5. So this is R1 C1 and this is R1 C2. Now R1 R2 and C1 and then R2 with C2. Now minus 1 multiply with 3 over 5 plus minus 3 multiply with 1 over minus 5. Again R1 or row 1 minus 1 multiply with 1 over 5 plus minus 3 multiply with 2 over minus 5. Now here 2 3 times 6 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Here the sign will be changed to minus 5 because plus minus minus. Next 2 over 5 plus again the sign change here, that is minus because plus minus minus, so 2 over 5. Here minus 3 over 5, here plus minus minus, plus minus minus and minus minus plus, so the sign here comes plus 3 over 5. Here minus 1 over 5, here again plus minus minus and minus minus plus, so the sign will be plus here 6 over 5. Now A inverse will be, here you see that the denominators are same, so their numerators will subtract with each other simply 5 over 5, and here also the same, the denominators are same and the numerator will subtract with each other, and because of the plus and negative sign, so they cancel 0 over 5, and here also because of signs are different, 0 over 5, and here minus plus minus, denominators are same, so denominator same 5, numerator 5. Now cancel, here also cancel, 0 divided by 5 it becomes 0, so 1 0 0 1. This is the final result, which is the identity matrix. So it is confirmed that A inverse when multiplied with A matrix, it gives identity matrix.